What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel of rebuilding my Mini Cooper. This is a week later. I'm working on the car because I haven't touched the car since I pulled the engine out. So today the plan is to separate the engine and the transmission and start removing the pistons, removing everything out of the engine. So that's the plan for today, and let's get it going, guys. All right, guys. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing right now is removing the starter. So we got the starter on the corner here, and once we got the starter out, I'm gonna see if I can get the bell housing bolts out, get all of them out of the way. So let's see what we can get done. And to undo the starter, I think we're gonna need one E10 socket. Yep, it's an E10 socket we're gonna need. Sorry about the noise, guys. My bird is on the back making noise. And I believe after that I will need a 13mm socket. Let's get these bolts out first. One is out, as you guys can see. And we got two. Okay, now it's time. The 13mm bolt. And as you guys can see, the starter is already giving up on us, so this is the starter. The starter look like on a crazy shape, so as you guys can see it here, it's so dark. See me because of the reflection of the sun or not, but I'm trying my best. Okay, this one was super loose. Okay, let me go to the other side now, guys. So I had to switch the engine position because the position it was previously, the camera was not really catching anything because of the reflection of the sun. So now I think now we should be good. So I'm just setting the engine down so I can put this on there. Okay, so now let's continue of pulling the bell housing bolts out. All right. all the way right here, trying to see if I can get it out. Which is, I think this is the last one for the transmission and the engine to be open. Okay, so let's go on the other side. Let's go on the other side and make sure that there's nothing else holding us. Which is on this side. On this side here. 1 second. We do have, actually we do have one more here. So yeah, this one is already loose, so all we have to do is unloosen it, get it out. Which is kind of hard right now, so okay guys, so let's see if we can get the transmission out of the engine, which is, I think we're gonna be able to do it because there's nothing else holding the engine. Let me get a pry bar, millimeter bolt in here. I need to pull out. So now we should get the green light to just separate them together, get them out. Okay, just like that, as you guys just see, the transmission is getting out. So let's pull it out. Let's hope that it came out smooth with no issue, which is just dead. Whew. Okay, so this is the transmission here, so you guys can see it here. So and this is the clutch, pressure plate, clutch, everything is here. The guy that I purchased the car from told me, he told me they had to replace, pressure plate has been, the clutch has been replaced. So I don't know if this is a good, if what he told me is true or not. So we're gonna find out now. Okay guys, let's pull the clutch out. I think this should be a T40 socket. But yes, it is a T40. So the clutch is not 1 second. If you guys look at it, I'm gonna let you guys look at it. The clutch is not done, but this is not new at the same time. The clutch is not new. And pressure plate, let's check this out. As you guys can see here, this is not new. Also, the flywheel is on a good shape, which is I think I'm gonna keep the flywheel. It's on a good shape. I'm not gonna try to mess with it. I'll leave it alone. So let me put this bolt back on the end, on the flywheel, so I can put the engine on the stand. And oh, jeez. Damn, that shit heavy. Oh. This freaking thing is heavy, guys. I almost fall. Okay, put this guy inside. Okay, guys, I got the engine on the stand. So now I'm gonna see if I can put it down. Okay, so let's see if we can just slide it out like that. And got one, okay. Now we're probably gonna make a mess, which is gonna flip the engine. I know it. I know we were gonna make a mess, y'all. Some of the bolt might strip, and some of them might come out. All the bolts come out with no problem, so that's a win, because the way this thing was, the bolt of there's rust on them, so okay. Well, the oil pan look, yeah, oil pan have some nasty stuff in it. Let me try to see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you guys are looking inside, you can see all the nasty stuff inside the oil pan. So now next thing is gonna try to pull the oil pan out. Yeah, there's some nasty stuff on the oil pan. I might need to buy a new oil pan, guys. I mean, not oil pan, sorry. I might need to buy a new oil pump. because this oil pump is, it's nasty, very nasty. Just pull the cover out. Got the cover out. I'm not gonna even mess with the gear. I leave it alone because I don't need it. Damn. This one is loose. I got the oil pump with me now. Here's the oil pump. So I didn't, oops. I'm just putting all the bolts back where I picked them from. I got some 10mm socket, some 10mm bolt to pull out. I'm gonna see if I can get these two brackets out and get all those 8mm bolt, get all of them out. Okay, we got it out. And I'm putting all the bolt back where I picked them from because I don't want to get confused with nothing. Need a T20 to get this sensor out. Because without the sensor, there's a bolt. I cannot pull it out if I don't pull the sensor out. Yeah, we will be waiting for new stuff to arrive. I had ordered new pistons, like the whole engine rebuild kit. I had ordered all of them. I think they were like about $200 on eBay, something like that. So it's not expensive. Okay, one down. Got two down. We got three. That's four. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 of them. We have all 10. We have all 10 of them out. It's about time to separate the engine now. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, y'all. Okay, this is not working on this side. Okay, just like that. And oh yeah. Huh. Especially on the main crank. Like, these are good. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. So we're gonna need an E10 to pull these guys out. So let's see what we got. So this is number 4. Was not good and at the same time was not bad. And the crank is still looking good so far. Let's keep on going. That's number 4. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Crank is looking good. Crank is fine, no scratch anywhere. And it's heavy. Whew. I'm gonna put it on the back of the car. Cylinder 1 is out. So this is cylinder 1, guys. Okay. And like always, we know that it was full of carbon. And let's put the cap back in there. This is number 4. I'm gonna put 4 on it. This is 4. I'm done with 4, so now let's do 3. And again, this is number 3, so let's put 3 on it. This is 3. This is number 2. I'm gonna put 2. Sorry. I'm gonna put, we got 2. And the last one is number 1. I shouldn't have to mark it, but I will mark it. Come on, baby. And we got 1. So let's put the tape back. Okay, guys, so the video get to an end now. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for supporting me also. I know it's not a lot of support. I just started doing YouTube a couple months ago. I think it was last year in June, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll call it probably June, something like that. I think it was in June. I can't really remember. It's about a year now. I got 103 subs, which is I'm happy with it. I didn't have it. Thank you guys so much for giving me the support, and I will always be doing some build stuff for you guys. Um, you guys, please let me know in the comment how did I do, if I should have done it another way. What do you guys think of it? Like, please give me an advice, an idea. Say something on the comment, please. Like, subscribe, and share, please, because this alone will help me, make me smile, make me happy when I see I got a lot of comments on my videos and I'm replying everybody one by one. That makes me happy. So if you guys could help me out, I would really appreciate it. So again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support, and I will end the video here. Thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me, and with my build cars, rebuilding stuff. So I will see you guys on the next video, and you guys take care. Be safe out there. Peace out.